Welcome friends, colleagues and fellow car lovers. My name is JJ and today it is my pleasure to take you through an electrifying affair that we have lined up. An exciting update to the automotive world brought to you by Opel. With a heritage of over 160 years, the Opel brand, headquartered in Rüsselsheim, Germany, is a serious global player in the automotive industry. Many of you will know Opel from its iconic models such as the sporty Astra hatchback, the zippy Corsa, and the award-winning Grandland SUV. With its great drive performance and accessible price points, it's easy to see why Opel has solidified its status as a strong contender amongst the continental car makes here in Singapore. Today, we'll share a little more on the brand's exciting new directions with a sneak preview at its newest model, the much-anticipated all-electric Mokka-e. Here to share with us on the group's electrification strategy is Justin Scott, Stellantis' area manager and Opel's regional brand manager.
Thanks, JJ. We're excited to be here as part of the Mokka-e launch today. In January last year, two companies, Group PSA and Fiat Chrysler Automobile, merged as equals to bring together 14 legendary automobile brands such as Peugeot, Jeep, Alfa Romeo, Maserati, and of course, Opel, to form Stellantis, the world's fourth largest automaker. At the same time, Stellantis committed to becoming a frontrunner in electrification and to provide the world with innovative, clean, and affordable mobility. Likewise, Opel, as Stellantis' only German brand, made a promise to drive greennovation through e-mobility for a positive and sustainable tomorrow. This commitment means that Opel will offer an electrified version of every model in its range by 2024, an ambitious goal which we're well on track to meet. Opel's electrification push naturally extends to Singapore as well. After the successful launches of our electrified van range here with the Vivaro-e and the Combo-e, Opel recently introduced an electrified 7-seater with the Zafira-e Life. Today we're here to talk about the Mokka-e, a model that fully embodies the spirit of the Opel brand. And here to talk more about that is Win Pang, Head of Marketing at Opel Singapore. Win?
Thanks, Justin. The new Opel brand consists of modern elements which underlines the brand's strength and dedication to innovation. Fun, youthful, electric and innovative in all respects, our new model embodies Opel brand values: exciting, progressive and German. It's hard to ignore the visible design changes the brand has implemented, from the updated sleek front visor to the centrally aligned model name at the rear, as well as fully digital pure panel cockpit. The brand reinforces its claim as a bold German market leader with the new Mokka, the first model sporting the brand's new and progressive image. Always keeping its eye on the future, Opel is pushing its green ambitions harder than ever, embracing e-mobility and greennovation while keeping to its modern German culture. Opel re-emerges bolder, more confident and better than before. With this, there is no better model to represent the brand's new spirit than the all-new Mokka-e. Now, I'll pass it on to Zai to tell you a little bit more about Mokka's history.
Thanks, Win. As the name suggests, the Mokka is named after beans of the coffee Arabica variety, signifying its compact yet robust nature. Within the first year of production in 2012, the Opel Mokka had over 80,000 orders, and by October 2014, over 300,000 Mokkas were ordered across Europe. Over its lifespan, Opel delivered over 1 million Mokkas to its customers. This is especially impressive when you consider the strong competition in the compact crossover segment in recent years. It wasn't just the exterior that was facelifted, the interior was given a refreshing new look as well, with a new dash instrument cluster and center stack.
Today, we're unveiling the completely new second-generation Mokka, a fully electric model that's ready to go with its brand new face and bold personality. The Mokka-e is Opel's first fully electric crossover. Consumers can enjoy the full benefits of the zeros that come with owning an electric vehicle, and they are zero emissions, zero odor, zero vibration, and zero gear shifting. Owners will say goodbye to high fuel prices and instead enjoy lower operating costs and maintenance that come with an EV. The Mokka-e is powered by a 50 kWh battery with a maximum range of up to 363 kilometers, making it one of the longest range passenger EVs currently on the market. More impressive is the Mokka-e's charge time. DC fast charging capability of up to 100 kilowatts comes standard, which means that the car can be quick charged from 0 to 80% in just 30 minutes and a full charge in just 1 hour. Family road trips to Malaysia will never be the same again. The Mokka-e's impressive charging speed and battery range means you can drive from Singapore to KL with just a single 30-minute charging pit stop. The electric motor can produce up to 130 brake horsepower and 260 Nm of torque, boasting a 0 to 100 km/h performance in just 10 seconds. Also, with the government's latest changes to COE categories for EV power bands, the Mokka-e's 130 brake horsepower falls under Category A COE, which means further savings for consumers. More importantly, for those concerned with the battery durability and the maintenance of an EV, Opel inspires confidence with its comprehensive 8-year, 160,000 km battery warranty, making the switch to an EV a welcome one for many.
Other than just impressive charge speed and range performance, all Opel EVs can now be powered by the all-new My Opel app. With this app, drivers can expect such exciting functions such as car geolocation, remote charge management, which allows the user to manage and schedule charge cycles remotely, battery overview, which informs drivers on battery state of charge, range estimate, and recharging duration, and a crowd favorite, vehicle preconditioning, which allows drivers in Singapore to cool their vehicle to their desired temperature 5 minutes before entering. With such convenience at your fingertips, it's easy to see why the Mokka-e has been named Germany's best car, awarded the Golden Steering Wheel 2021, and why Opel is winning the race towards electrification.
The Mokka-e isn't just packed with the best German technology and engineering, it looks good too. The Mokka-e is the first Opel EV to feature the brand's new distinctive visor, a bold design element that incorporates the headlamps and stretches the full width of the car, giving it a bold presence on the road. The new two-tone black accents, like the visor design, can be found all over the Mokka-e. The full LED headlamps and daytime running headlights, as well as LED tail lamps, feature Opel's iconic wing design, making the Mokka-e unmistakable even at night. From the side profile, you can see the integrated roof spoiler, which gives it a sporty edge. 17-inch black alloy wheels, LED tail lamps, and the Mokka-e logo stretched across the tailgate further adds to the brand's pure and bold appearance.
On the inside is the Opel Pure panel, made up of an all-digital 12-inch driver instrument cluster that is fully customizable, as well as a 10-inch infotainment screen that is tilted to be driver-focused. The detoxed interior creates a lot more open flooring spaces for a spacious interior feel. Overall, the Mokka-e's new assertive design immediately marks it out on the road and creates a lasting impression.
The Opel Mokka-e is also packed full of safety features, including a panoramic rear-view camera, automatic emergency braking, blind spot monitors, and even intelligent speed adaptation, just to name a few. Just like how Stellantis Group is forward-looking, the Opel is filled with future-ready features. The Opel Mokka-e's arrival brings with it a whole host of exciting new things to look forward to, like its electrifying new visor and the driver-centric Pure panel. Equipped with its 8-year battery warranty, the Mokka-e is ready to bring more sustainable mobility options to Singaporeans with total peace of mind. More than just a futuristic and eco-conscious outlook, the Mokka-e also injects life and vibrance with its award-winning design and offers ultimate convenience with impressive drive range and speedy charge times. Thank you for joining us for this launch today, and we can't wait for you to try out the new Opel Mokka-e. Head down to Opel Singapore for a test drive today.
It's a new dawn, it's a new day. It's a new life for me. Ooh, and I'm feeling lost in all my dreams. You know how I feel. It's a new dawn, it's a new day, it's a new life.
Less normal, more Mokka. Introducing the new Opel.